Hi there, welcome to Using DIY. My name's Ben. Do you have crumbs in the corners and flour on the floor? So we're going to look at the Shark WandVac 2.0 to see what it's like getting rid of those things in the house. Okay, so we've got a vacuum cleaner in the house that we vac the house with, obviously. But sometimes you spill something maybe in the kitchen, or there's hair that's been cut, or beard trimmings that need vacuuming up quickly. Rather than getting the vac out and going to vac the room, I wanted something where we could quickly grab some, vac it up, and away you go, you're done. So doing the car, for example, as well. So I saw this previously, the original Shark WandVac. This is the WandVac 2.0, a cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. So in this video we'll do a quick unboxing, check it out, get it charged up, and go vac some stuff up. So first of all, let's jump inside and see what you get included in the box. Okay, so in the box, user manual as expected. Got some accessories by the looks of it. We'll get all this unwrapped in a second. Okay, so we've got everything out now. This is the vac itself, pretty light. I think on the box it says just under 700 grams. So it's got a little bit of weight to it, but not too heavy. You've got the charging dock there, which this sits into. Does have power as it comes. You've got some other accessory holders, and I think that clips onto the back of there as well. And then you've obviously got the actual attachments that go on the end of the vac to go onto carpets or hard floors, and that's kind of to go into narrow corners, for example. So what we'll do, I'll have a quick read through the instruction manual. We'll get this thing charged up, and we'll basically give it a go. Okay, so all unboxed, all set up nicely. The charging base down here, nice design. The accessories just slot in like so. Really easy to use. Looks good on a shelf or on the side somewhere. So that's good. Really easy to set up. Just a couple of things before we actually use it. I'll probably do a full charge. It does say a full charge takes 3.5 hours. So we'll let it fully charge before first use. Just a couple of things I spotted though while we're waiting. So that's the vac itself. The battery does come out. There's a couple of buttons there, and the battery does come out. So you could buy spare batteries or replacement batteries if you need to obviously use this quite regularly and the battery runs out. So yeah, or you need to replace it if it gets broken, for example. So the battery does come out, which is great. I know some devices don't allow removable batteries and things like that. Underneath here, you've got the area where dust and rubbish is collected. Simple enough to open that up. There's a little lever there, and that drops out, so you can drop that into a bin. So that's simple enough. And the attachments themselves are really easy to use. Obviously, you just click them into there, and that's the way you go. So this one came with the kind of crevice tool, and then it came with that, which is then the duster one with the kind of brushes on there. And then it also came with upholstery tool. That's an upholstery tool. So that one there, it's kind of got some padded things on the end of it there. You can use it on like, I guess on sofas and seats and things like that. So they came with it. You can get other accessories. I'm just looking in the user guide, and you can get kind of a pet tool, a wide upholstery tool, obviously the spare battery, and you get a longer one as well, like a long wand to use it with. That isn't what I've got it for. We have got it for just for using quickly to vac up in the car, in the kitchen, etc, etc. So we'll leave this on this charging dock now to charge for 3.5 hours, get a full charge out of it, into it, sorry, and then we'll get it used in the kitchen to start with, to get up those crumbs you saw in the corner and the flour that I dropped on the floor. So yeah, there is a couple of buttons on the front of it there just before we do use it, which is a power button, and then there's a boost button. The power button I mentioned previously, I might not have done actually. You get up to 15 minutes of runtime out of this. That is on the standard one. That will be reduced significantly if you're using that boost mode. So yeah, we'll leave it to charge. I think that's everything for now. I've obviously got the blue one. You can get different colours. We went for the blue one, I think because it was on offer. And we're not really bothered about the colour because it'll be hidden away when we're not using it. So yeah, I'll leave it to charge. We'll jump back in 3.5 hours and we'll give it a go. Okay, we're all done now with this review, or early review, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, with the Shark WandVac 2.0. So we've used it now for a few days. We've vacked up some stuff, some crumbs in the corner and flour on the floor. But use it for general stuff as well. Use it on the sofa with the upholstery attachment. So overall, really, really good. Whether it's worth the full price, I'm not so sure. It is a lot of money for what it is. It's good at what it is, good at what it does, sorry. It's got powerful suction for its size. It's lightweight, it's portable. It's obviously battery powered, there's no wires or anything like that. But is it worth the money? I'm not so sure. Not yet anyway, I think we need some more usage out of it. See if it keeps that same suction over a few months. See how useful it is in our house. We have used it quite a lot, I'll be honest with you. Just vacuuming up corner, vacuuming up bits of crap left from kids eating the tea, things like that. But yeah, it's a lot of money for what it is. But we'll see. I'll be back with a future review video, maybe after 3 months, just to go through a 3-month review. But hopefully it's been informative. You've seen the vac, you've seen the unboxing, you've seen a little bit of usage from it in terms of vacuuming up some stuff. It's a real life test with real life house with kids and rubbish and crumbs and muck. So yeah, so far so good. I'll be back in 3 months with a review. If you've liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like though. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike, but let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the vac? Any comments about what we're using it for? Anything at all, drop it in the comment section. I'll reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, home DIY projects and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.